my lovely student. Today we are going to make a refrigerator. So let's see, what do we have in our book? Well, yes, this is a refrigerator and we have 4 steps right here. Why don't we start drawing it? At first, let's make 4 dots to make our rectangle. And then take a scale and join the 4 dots. Yes, this is going to give us straight lines. Can you tell me which shape is this? You are right, it's a rectangle. Now, why don't we make a sleeping line right here and then another sleeping line at the bottom? Can you see this? It looks just like the steps which we have in our book. Now, why don't we make the top part? Make 2 curves like this and then join it. After that, continue making a sleeping line at the bottom and then the legs of the refrigerator. If you feel that you have made a mistake, then you can erase it and redraw it. Continue making a straight line over here. And then, why don't we make this S for a beautiful design? This is great. For the handles, we are going to make 2 rectangles, but it will have a little curve on top and the bottom. This is nice. Now, let's make a small rectangle here. Great! You know what to do next. Take your black sketch pen and start sketching. Well, while sketching, we will make sure that we go right on top of the pencil marks. Do not draw any overlapping parts, just in case if you have them in your drawing. Just in case if you have them in your drawing. Continue marking it on top of the pencil marks. Complete the entire refrigerator in a similar way. Go very slow while sketching, as if you make a mistake, it is going to be difficult for us to erase it, as we cannot erase the sketch pen marks. Just in case if you go outside of the pencil marks with your sketch pen, take your eraser and erase all the pencil marks you see. Erase only on top of the pencil marks, or else there are chances that your paper might tear. This is great. Let's pick up our blue color and start coloring on the right side of the refrigerator. Well, if you notice, we are going to color in a very light manner. Do not press your color on top of the paper. Do you know why are we doing that? Because we require a grayish tone here. So, let's take this grey color and color on top of this blue. If you notice, we got a bluish grey color and that's what we required. Continue coloring in only one direction. Yes, at first we are going to do the outline and then color inside. So let's take the blue color and do the outline of the refrigerator at first. Let's do this together. Great. Now that we've done the outline, we will choose on how to color. Yes, over here we are coloring in standing line. So press your color well and color in one direction. Also, if you notice, we are not going to keep any white spaces in the middle. So press your color well and continue coloring. Yes, in the process of pressing the color on the paper, the color might break. But that's okay, you can continue coloring. Take the grey color and color the handles. Yes, the handle is a little thin and it is not going to be possible for us to do the outline. Hence, we will color it inside directly. This applies for the top, the middle and the bottom line as well. So, let's go very slow while coloring this. This end part is a little fatter. Hence, we are going to do the outline and color inside. Finally, let's do the legs of the fridge. And then this part. This looks amazing. We will make sure that we keep a tissue paper so that the color does not smudge.